Okay, so I want to briefly give a Cardano warning. I might be wrong. I'm just here to serve you. So my strategy and my idea and my goal with this channel is to serve you and bring you all the information, positive and negative, just a warning, no matter where the market is going. Before we start, keep in mind that I'm a random dude on the internet. Like, share, subscribe. And if you want to trade crypto with the highest leverage, lowest fees, use Bybit. I'm sponsored by them. Check the link in the description down below. So, are you familiar with a descending triangle pattern? I spent a lot of time every day, maybe 2 or 3 hours, back testing and going over patterns. And the idea behind this is, since I try to day trade as much as possible, I always want to warm up, to be warmed up for my trades, and because I've got a lot of things going on emotionally, with family, with my e-commerce business, with my marketing agency, I can get emotional in trading. So I try to warm up. So what I want to go over here is a downtrend correction, but most importantly, let me see if I can find it and put it as simply as possible, a descending triangle. Basically, the support staying at the same level, but lower lows. The idea is that the market just get exhausted from having lower, the swing traders can't even make any money because of the downtrend and of the lower highs, which results in a breakout below the support area. And I was browsing through charts, just back testing, when I saw something. I'm not saying it will happen now, but it's definitely not something good. Plus we have, head and shoulders pattern right here, potentially. So what I'm saying is I wouldn't long ADA at this level, and I'll explain why. Again, I might be wrong. I just want to warn you guys. You can probably see this line, drawing this line, and you can probably already see it, right? We'll probably trade in a range just like this, go down. The people say, oh, we bounced up again, go down, up, and then go down. This is just my theory around ADA right now. And I wanted to warn you because we also have a lot of good news about ADA, right? If we go on the news section on Google, and one second, I actually want to check Google Alerts real quick, Google Trends, ADA or Cardano. In the past 12 months, the peak was in May. It's definitely at a decline. It's definitely not in a good place in terms of searchability, but Cardano must break crucial resistance, obviously. What is it? Waiting for a launch of Cardano smart contracts keep toward full launch. So everyone was talking about it. And you can read a lot of good things about it, but yeah, nearly 72% of all ADA is staked. That's a good thing. People are holding on to it. But in the short term, I saw this pattern, want to mention it. Obviously, the main price or the main reason why Cardano will go up and down or down from here would be the price of Bitcoin, because as you probably figure out by now, if you're new to crypto markets, cryptocurrencies move mostly because, like, when Bitcoin is going up, if you pick any coin from CoinMarketCap on the top 50 spot blind, like just like this, you'd probably guess correctly, right? And this is how cryptocurrencies have worked for, wow, that's not like we have indexes and tech companies. If they're going up or US stocks going up, chances are a particular US stock from the top ones will go up as well. So it doesn't mean that we won't hit, go up 20% from here or something, or 30% from here, but you should definitely be careful, especially if you're doing leverage trading. I would rather wait for it to go up a little bit and short it, or short it here with a stop loss around 140. I might just do that, by the way, on Bybit after this video. Might do a trade with something like this to potentially target, yeah, this is a very strong area for 1.125. Is also not a bad risk to reward ratio. How is the EMA? Yeah, we're definitely when it comes to the moving averages, we're just touching the 50 EMA, which is never a good sign on the daily chart. We're just touched it here and bounced off it. The good thing is that we've only seen green candles open and closes pretty much on the charts, but keep in mind, by the way, is the video a little laggy? Let me know, because I updated some settings on my camera. So the first red candle we have is gonna be, maybe that will be a confirmation for sure. But I just want to get this video out there. Maybe we'll analyze it, how it ages. Was it right? Was it wrong? But definitely this seems like a good position to have. In the other news, what am I into? I just bought in more ZOO. I've spent like 6-7 grand on ZOO so far. It's down 50%. I'm not worried. I'm waiting for a 20-30x on this. It's a 700k market cap product, so it's easy for it to go up and down. I'm not shilling anything. I'm not sponsored by it. I'm just saying my opinion. All the whales on it, if you check, the holders are not selling, just buying. Look at the 6 grand orders. The only selling orders, okay, that's a flip. So this is a buying order. Only selling orders are random dudes selling, you know, 20 bucks or 50 or 100 or 500 bucks. ZOO token. In a few days, I'll probably open up the charts and show you a 5, 10x, 20x from here. And my 6 grand can be a 100 grand position. But yeah, again, I know there's gonna be some hateful comments in the description. I just want to be as realistic as possible. Look, I can get more views by hyping you up 800x, and then it goes down. We can all forget about it, because everyone that was long gets liquidated. They won't even see the video. But ADA right now is definitely it's better. It's easier to short it than long it. We're pretty much seeing what we had here. It's the same structure, definitely. Some mistakes that we did was shorting crypto based, yeah, there will be squeezes. That's what we saw here. There will be long and short squeezes. Make no mistake, there will be short and long squeezes. But that's why I would, if I'm trading right now, something good is to try and trade longer time frames. If you're used to trading 5-minute time frames, I like that. I really like that. But right now, what's going on is you can get stopped out from just market manipulation, as opposed to, you know, areas like this where, you know, if you have a stop loss like this, it's less likely, because then it will be a break of the pattern, and then we can just go up. It will also be above all the EMAs, all the moving averages on 30, 20, 50. So if the video helped you out, you know what to do. You can like, share, subscribe, and I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.